Hey guys, welcome to The Bite. My name's Jackie and it's summertime again and I have the perfect recipe as a nice refresher, something just a crisp, something to quench your thirst during this hot heat, especially that we have here in Florida with all this humidity / frizzy hair season. Holla if you understand, if you feel me on that. But today what we're gonna make for you is limonada, which is basically a Middle Eastern version of lemonade. And it's kind of like a play on words too. You can kind of hear my daughter in the background there. But limonada really is a play on words. Limon in many languages means lemon. Limonada means lemonade. Nana means mint, so we have limonada. Nice little play on words there. So really you need 3 basic ingredients. Lemon juice, freshly squeezed is best, but you can also buy lemon juice already squeezed. Some sugar, you can sub this for like simple syrup, honey, agave, whatever you have on hand, but I'm just using plain old sugar today, and some fresh mint leaves. These are from my backyard, and if you grow mint, you know that it grows like weeds and it grows everywhere, so this is a really good way to use it up, or if you buy it and you don't know what to do with it, this is a great way to use it. In Middle East, we use it kind of like the Italians use basil. We use it for everything. Salads, we use it for salad dressings, drinks. I mean, we even dry it, and when I was younger we would have dried mint like all over the house, and my friends would come over and they'd say it smells like peppermint, but really peppermint smells like the mint, the fresh mint leaves. Anyways, so let's get into how we make this. This is not really a recipe, this is just a real quick simple drink, so let's get into it. If you love lemonade, this is it for you right here, because that mint really hits the spot. This is the quintessential thirst quencher. But really, I think you should give this a try. My daughter thinks you should give this a try. You can hear her back there. And if you like a spicy hint to this, you can totally add some like jalapenos, you know, play around with it a little bit, see what you like. So I hope you give this a try. If you do, be sure to comment down below, tell me what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down here, and then we got some other nice summery fun videos for you to check out right over here. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time on The Bite.